Telegram tutorial: how to join a private group on Telegram. Today we're going to show you how to join a private group on Telegram. Whether you're new to Telegram or just need a quick refresher, we've got you covered, so let's dive right in. First things first, what you need to know is you need to receive an invitation link. When you tap it, Telegram will automatically open the app and show you the group's name and a brief description. If you're happy with what you see, simply hit the join group button. This is the key to gaining access. Now, you're officially a member of the group. You can start chatting, interacting with other members, and participate in discussions. But what if you don't have an invitation link? Well, don't worry, you can always ask the admin for an invite, or if the group is managed by a community, they might provide a link on a website or social media page. Once you're in, you can simply manage your notification. If you're part of several active groups, you might want to customize your notification settings. Simply tap the group name at the top, then go to notifications and choose how often you want to be notified. And finally, if you ever decided to leave a group, it's super easy. Just tap on the group name and scroll down and click on leave group. And that's it. You've learned how to manage, join, and leave private groups on Telegram.